Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today, guys, we'll show you on a Mercedes W211, guys, the E-Class. If you have a code such as P0341 or the vehicle doesn't start and you have that code, we'll show you how to fix that. P0341, it's camshaft position sensor. And if it's out all the way, sometimes they might work a while, then it quits on you and then it doesn't work again. Okay, but if it goes out all the way, what happens? You won't be able to start the vehicle. Alright guys, so let's see if it's going to start now. No start. Nope. We pull the codes, guys, and that's what we got. P0341 camshaft position sensor. So stay with us, we'll show you guys how to remove that one, okay, how to replace it, and we'll see if that fixes our problem next. Alright guys, you want to do that, or you want to replace the camshaft position sensor when the vehicle is cool, because otherwise it's extremely hot in the engine compartment. And this is where this one is located. Okay, we have for bank 1 is on this side. So we'll need a reverse Torx socket now. Okay, let's see which one is going to fit, and I'll share the size with you. And we'll have the links for all the tools on our website, mechaniclifestyle.com. So feel free to check them out. This one specifically is E8, reverse Torx 8. Okay, so we'll go ahead and pull the wire. Okay, press in. Okay, just careful not to break in. Very careful there, because you don't want to break the cable plug. Okay, and we disconnected it. Perfect. Now all we have to do, remove that screw. Okay, right there. You might have some oil leaking out of there, so let's see now. Okay, and I have the feeling that we'll have some oil out of there, but that's normal if you leak some out. So move it back and forth, eventually you pull it out. It has a seal on it, so it doesn't leak oil out of the sensor. Okay guys, and this is the camshaft position sensor. You can see this one, okay, right here. So we have one from another parts car. As you know, we have a ML, we have another C-Class that we're working on. We have a few parts cars and they share the same engine, so we'll just go ahead and replace it. Hopefully that will fix our problem. Install it there. Okay, make sure that the hole is there for the bolt. We'll need to install the bolt. It's pretty simple, it'll take you like 5 minutes. Never ever turn the engine on while you're in the engine compartment here. Make sure nobody's in the vehicle, because that belt can take your fingers. Okay, you need to connect the wire, push it in all the way until it clicks. Okay, still a little bit more. Ours is not stuck yet. Okay, it clicked now. So let's see, guys, if it's going to start now. We will clear the code, okay, and see if it will run again and it will have any engine codes. Alright guys, we deleted the code. Let's see if it's going to start now with the new camshaft sensor. It fired right up and no engine light. So that's how you guys get rid of that code. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.